If you're looking for a reliable four-door crew cab, then check out this 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This Ram 1500 will be an awesome truck if you're looking for something that is comfortable and that can handle almost any type of terrain. With its backup camera, remote start, heated front seats, navigation, and tow package, you'll be set for any trip. There's even side steps and a hard cover. As for entertainment, you will be pleased with the AM/FM radio. This Ram 1500 has about 9,000 miles on the odometer and has a Hemi 5.7-liter multi-displacement engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Try it before you buy it with our free 48-hour test drive. If you like it, we will cover it with our free and exclusive lifetime mechanical warranty, good for as many years and as many miles as you own it.